Okay, my students, we are discussing on the digestive system, which is found on the organism, mainly mouse or the rat. And here we are discussing on the class mammalian. So we are proceed to look the structure which are responsible for digestive system or digestive purpose, which are occurring within this organism. So also this organism, they have liver. So the liver have 4 lobes. One on the left, 2 on the right, and the one in the center. So this organism, they have almost 4 lobes, which constitute on the liver of this organism. So as you can see here, we have said that 1 is located on the left, but 2 they are located on the right, and 1 it is located on the center. So the liver has 2 functions in the digestion. So liver inahusika kwa ukubwa zaidi kwenye masuala mazima ya digestion, ya umeng'enyaji wa chakula kwa mouse au kwa rat. So the first function of the liver, now we can say that the liver, it is used for secretion of the bile. And the bile, it is an important component for digestion process to occur in animal. So now you can see, this organism, they have bile. This bile ndio ambayo inakuja kuneutralize acidic kind that are coming from the stomach. Since within the stomach is where now the food now it is more acidic. Kwa ajili sasa iende for more absorption, inahitaji the presence of bile that contain a lot of content of base that help to neutralize the food. And another function of the liver, now we can say that liver receive the absorbed food from the small intestine through hepatic portal vein. So this organism, we are saying that the liver, it is responsible for receiving the absorbed food from the small intestine through hepatic portal vein. So within the diagram of the digestive system, we have seen the hepatic portal vein. So ile hepatic portal vein ndio ambayo inasaidia liver kufanya kazi yake vizuri for absorption of different kinds of food that this organism they taking in. So, and also we can say that this organism, apart from this organism, they possess a bile, but also this organism, they lack a gallbladder. So instead, they have a cystic duct from the liver lobes joined to form the bile duct, which conveys the bile to the duodenum. So when we are going furthermore to discuss the structure or the digestive system within, for example, within the human being, we have said that in the human being there is they possess a gallbladder. The gallbladder is the structure which is specialized for storage of the bile. So this mouse or this rat, they lack that structure ambayo tunaita gallbladder. So instead of gallbladder, this organism, they have cystic duct. Hii cystic duct ndiyo ambayo inasaidia for the storage, temporary storage of the bile. Ili pale ambapo chakula kinafika kwenye duodenum, it is easy now for that cyst to release their content into the duodenum for neutralization of the food. And also we can say that the hepatic portal vein runs from the liver to the intestine. So covered by a chain of lymph nodes and form branches in the mesentery, that is plural, it is a mesenteries, and other part of the intestine. So now you can see this structure ambayo tunaita mesentery ambayo inapatikana ndani ya hao organism. Tunasema kwamba it is very essential for the digestive purpose occurring within this organism. Since this organism, they possess the hepatic portal vein. This hepatic portal vein, it runs between the liver. So its main function here, we are saying that for coverage of to cover the chain of the lymph nodes and form the branches in the mesentery. That is the mesentery. We're going furthermore to discuss the function of the mesentery, which is found within this organism. Remember, this mesentery we have seen on the class amphibian. So it will perform the same function as within the amphibian they does. So this mesentery, it is very crucial for the digestion purpose or the digestion function to occur within this organism. And also, we have said that this organism, the mesentery, are the continuous set of support tissue which attach the intestine to the posterior wall of the abdomen. So also this organism, they have mesentery. Hii mesentery tunasema kwamba ni continuous set of support tissue which attach the intestine for posterior wall of the abdomen. Kwa ukiangalia kule kwa nyuma ndipo ambapo kuna hii mesentery. Hii mesentery inafanya kazi tu ya support, supportive function for other digestive part which are found within the mouth, iweze kutokea kwa urahisi zaidi na ifanye kazi yake vizuri zaidi. So, and also we can say that they support efficiency digestion and the maximum absorption of digested food by helping in the storage of fat and allowing lymphatics, blood vessels and nerves to supply the intestine. So mesentery inakuwa inafanya kazi kubwa sana au nyingi sana within the digestive system of the mouth. Since here we have said that apart from support, this organism also they support efficient digestion and the maximum absorption of digested food. Remember, since this organism, this part which is called the mesentery, it is found behind the hepatic portal vein which is found within the rat. Tunasema kwamba inasaidia sasa au ina support maximum absorption of digested food. Kwa kile chakula kikisha meng'enywa, kinafyonzwa vizuri kabisa, kinaingia kwenye different part of the body, is due or is within the help of the mesentery. So kile chakula kina be absorbed, kinaenda kwenye different part of the body, either kwenye head, kwenye the trunk, kwenye the neck, kwenye the legs and so on. Is due to the presence of the mesentery which is found within this organism. And apart from the absorption or maximum absorption of the digested food, also this organism tunasema kwamba it helps storage of fat and allowing lymphatic. So apart from the support, also this mesentery inakuwa inasaidia kwenye kazi ya storage of fat. And store different kinds of fatty material which are found within organism. And apart from that, we have said that this organism, we are saying that allowing lymphatics, blood vessels and nerves to supply within the intestine. So zile lymphatic content zinakuwa zinatoka kule kwenye zile hepatic portal vein, zinaingia ndani ya intestine kwa urahisi zaidi ili iweze kusaidia masuala mazima ya digestion. Is with the help of this structure that is mesentery. So here we have seen that the mesentery are continuous set of support tissue. This mesentery, it is supporting tissue. Kwa inasaidia zile kind of lymphatic system or kind of blood vessels. Remember, within the blood vessels, different kinds of content are found there. There is nutrient. There is when we are talking about nutrient, there is proteins. There is lipids. Apart from lipids, there is carbohydrate. All of those, they are transported within the blood vessel. So for more absorption of food, kama patakuwa na any kind of toxic substance and so on, they are being absorbed is due to the presence of this mesentery. Inasaidia zile content zote zilizokuwa ndani ya blood vessel zitoke kwa urahisi zaidi, ziingie ndani ya mfumo mzima wa umeng'enyaji wa chakula. So now you can see also we have the nerves to supply the intestine. So also within the nerves is where now different kinds of content are found there. So now this mesentery, generally we can say that mesentery, it is very crucial for digestion process to occur within the rat. So if you have been asked even into your exam, even into your practical session, explain the function of mesentery, the function of mesentery in the rat or within the mouth. That one, we have said that it provides a supportive function, whereby absorbing foods, absorbing different kinds of fats that is found within that organism and so on. So now you can see those are the parts. small parts which are found within the digestive system that help them in digestion process occurring very smoothly within their body. But also, apart from that, we have a lot of tissue or a lot of organ which help this organism for digestion purpose to occur very smooth within their body. These parts we are going to discuss later on the next session. So in our today's session, this marks the end of our today's session, and thank you for following us at Educare TZ, and bye bye, have a nice moment.